Hi, welcome again to another video. So I'm going to unbox and quickly set up your new Canon Pixma TS6360 all-in-one printer. And this is a wireless printer you can set up with your home or office Wi-Fi network, and you can do wireless printing, scanning, and also you can do copy as well. So these are the ink cartridges we have to use, which we can buy extra as the starter ink is not a lot. So let's start with unboxing first. Now to start with the normal setups, we switch on the printer, so press the power button. Now go on the display screen, wait for the initial setup. Now you have to select a language, so there are a number of options here. So I'm going to select English and confirm. Press OK button to confirm yes. Now you will see here is a QR code and a start setup, so we will do the start setup. Click on the OK button, and when this screen comes we scroll down and press OK again. Now it will say to install the ink cartridges, so let's do that. Now to install the ink cartridge we need to open the ink cartridge chamber, so open like this. It will stand itself and wait for the chamber to come in the middle. These are the 5 ink cartridges. As you can see, these are the 3 here and there are 2 these here, so total 5 ink cartridges. We need to remove the outer covering, also the orange color seal. So from here we can remove this plastic seal. Now also remove this orange seal, which is to open the ink cartridge nozzle, so like this, and just repeat it for the all other ink cartridges. Now once you remove them, and here are the place where we have to install these ink cartridges. So look at the reading and color like M, so you will see the M will go here. So just have to place it in, slide in, and then push it downwards, it will lock itself. Also ink cartridge number is also written on the cartridges, 281. Now these are the set of 5 ink cartridges, so we have to place correctly. So just match the color and also the alphabet. Now do it for all the ink cartridges. And once we install these ink cartridges, we go on the display screen to see if they are correctly installed or not. And if there is any problem, we have to remove and install it again. So let's see there. So it says all the colors and all are matches there. There is no problem, so it's saying to close the tank. So lift it upward and leave it, it will close itself, as you can see here. Now go to the screen again, click OK, and it says the ink is installed. And now start the alignment. So for that we need to install the pages. So here you can see this is the rear paper tray, which we can take out and we can place a page here. If just to make sure the page don't fall, we can slide it up. Now there is another paper tray, which is a cassette tray, which is at the bottom of this printer, and that can be used if you don't want to use the rear paper tray. So you just have to pull it outside and place the pages here and insert pages and then close this chamber. So cassette tray is easy to use as well, so it can hold up to 100 pages. Now paper output tray, you don't have to take it out, but if you want you can do that because it will automatically come out when you are going to print. Now start the print alignment. For that just click OK, and as confirmed you have loaded the pages, so press OK again. Now it's saying it will take around 6 minutes. We just have to wait for the whole process. It will print out couple of pages with some lines and colors just to make a good quality print. So just wait for this process. Once it is done, we go on the display screen and you will get a final confirmation like the setup is complete. So once you press OK, you will see the main screen. Now I'll show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup. So press OK and then go for the Wi-Fi setup option and click on that. Press OK. Now look for manual connection. Click OK. Now you will see the wireless router here. So select the Wi-Fi network. Now enter the Wi-Fi password of your home or office network, and you can also choose the alphabets, numbers accordingly. Here as you can see on the screen, it gives all the details, how to complete it, how to backspace, and how to change the alphabets and the numbers. So I'll show you that here, and you have to keep pressing to get the alphabet you want, and then press this button if you want to small. So upper and lower case can be selected from there. So once you are ready, you have press the start button and OK button to confirm, and it will connect to the available wireless router. Now once it is done, now your printer is wirelessly connected. Now I'll also show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup, same setup using a smartphone, and then you can start using the printing and scanning option wirelessly. Now take your smartphone and download the Canon Print Selfie app from the App Store. Now you can see here we have to add a printer. So to add the printer, we click on the printer button below. Now click on the add switch button. If it's displayed here is okay, if not click on register printer. Now say yes for Bluetooth setting. Now click on if printer cannot be found. Now just wait for further instructions. Click on auto connection recommended method. Now press and hold the button as shown here for 3 seconds on the printer display panel. Now go to the screen again and confirm that you have done it. And here we see the name of the printer is available. So to set up Wi-Fi, click OK. Now this process from here might take 4-5 minutes because it will be looking for the Wi-Fi network. You have to enter the password, and also it's going to communicate with your printer and Wi-Fi. So just keep going on with all the steps, and finally you will see here that it says connected. Now here you will see it displays the name of the Wi-Fi network. So just select it, enter password, and just confirm, and just only wait for final confirmation here. So it's easy to set up. As you can see, now it is done, and I'll show you how to do the wireless printing. Now once you finish the process, at the bottom you will see your printer's photo and the name is displayed. So just go on the printer's display panel again and see if it is done from the printer side. As you can see here, it says the easy wireless connect has been completed, so press OK. And now we will do the wireless printing. Click on the document print in the app section and find a document you want to print here. Now you can do the settings as you want. So once you click on next, you will get setting here. So you can choose the page you want to print, or if you want number of pages. Now also there is a change setting option before final confirmation, and you can select the number of copies, page size, if you want it black and white, two-sided, color, So every options are available. So once you confirm them, just go back and click on print icon, and it will print the page here. So as you can see, this is easy to set up and it's a very good wireless printer. You can use it with your home or office Wi-Fi network. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.